How to create a new playlist on your YouTube channel. First of all, head over to youtube.com. Then make sure that you're actually logged into your account. Next, in the upper right corner of the screen, tap on your profile icon. And then click on View Your Channel. Then click on Videos. And now to create a new playlist, you can actually click on the 3 vertical dots icon in the lower right corner of any video. And then click on Save to Playlist. You will then see a list with all of your playlists. To create a new playlist now, simply click on Create New Playlist at the bottom. And enter the name of the new playlist. Once you're done, tap on Create in the lower right corner of the screen. Like this, you can easily create new playlists on your YouTube channel. And just to make this totally clear, it doesn't really matter on which video you're actually clicking on this 3 vertical dots icon. Because when you add a playlist, as I just showed you, this playlist will be available globally, and when you upload new videos now, you will be able to find the new playlist that we just added, and you can add any YouTube on your channel, existing or new, to this new playlist if wanted. And that's it, guys. This is how you create a new playlist on your YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more YouTube tutorials.